All right, so I've decided to make one of those Corsi Rosenthal filters, fan filters here. And I'm using this fan that I got right here. I'm trying to see if it says cubic feet or anything like that on it. Oops. I don't see anything here. I'll get that information and post it. But right now, what I've got is that heater, and I've got a filter from a vacuum, from like a shop vac, and it's open on both ends. And what I did was I put some black tape over that end so it'll be closed. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to place it, and I'm going to tape it right there, and that'll be this side. I thought that I had another filter, but I don't. So what I'm going to use is this foam filter for the other side here, which you can see is not really that much open. So I'm just going to basically just place this over it, maybe even double it up. Yeah, I'll double it up and place it on there. Probably just tape it on there real quick, just to hold it in place. And I know this is going to get filled up with a lot of dust. My home is dusty. This dust here is not from being in my home. This is from being in my van for, I don't know, about 6-7 months. So of course it gets dusty. But what I'm going to do is just tape it up, and tape that filter on, and both filters. I'm going to tape them on. Oops. See if I can get this thing set up where we can see it. Oh, that's going to be difficult because, well, you know what? I don't have to show me taping it because it's kind of obvious what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to tape it down. Oops. I'm going to tape it down, and then I shall be back. Okay, first part of this is done. And what I did was, so that I would not impede the airflow, is I folded the tape. On this particular one, I just folded it. On the other ones, I folded it and twisted it so as not to impede airflow into the filter. Now, what I need to do now is put this section in. That is just going to be some foam. And I'm just going to fold it over. Maybe even fold it over again. That way I don't have to cut this foam. That's a good idea. I don't want to cut this foam because I do use this. I can use this for other stuff. So basically, just going to tape it there and there, and that'll hold it in. And there you have it. Just tape down. This side I'm not worried about, because that's going to be pulled in anyways when the air turns on. So now, what I need to do is put this in my residence, because it is super dusty, because I have 2 dogs. There's one of them sitting in the car seat. And then my other one, she's around here somewhere. But they bring in a lot of dirt and dust because they're inside-outside dogs. And so I'm going to try something here about filtering. You can see this is really clean, except for that. It just fell in there from somewhere. I'm having it outside. I get, oh, it just did. Okay. Well, when it's on, I know what it'll do. It sucks it in, so it'll hold it in place. Not too worried about that. I'll turn it on right now. You know what? That still blows a good amount of air. Now this was already something I had done before for a different project. I wasn't worried about airflow. I'm going to take the knife and I'm going to cut down on that. because it only needs the tape only needs to be right there on that rim. All right, there we go. Got all that excess tape that was on the sides there. Here's some of it. I just took it off what was all around here. I took all that off, so there's a little more filter area. This is gonna be good. My dog's push me out of the way. Okay, guys. Pixie, Nellie, both female. Pixie's almost 3, been with me since she was 8 weeks old. Nellie, only 6 months I've had her, and she's a year old next month. So is Pixie. She's going to be a year old next month. 3 years old next month. All right, well, I will, as you can see, the filter's clean between the pleats there. So once I get this all hooked up and working inside the trailer over there, I'll get videos of how dusty it got. All right, so here is that filter. I mean, you saw how white it was before, and look how gray brown it is now. And I'm fixing to blow some air through it to blow all this dust out. You can see there's a lot of stuff in there. It's just like, oh, look at all that. Wait till I get the thing. I see I gotta find a place to put this. Do it over here. This is my shed. Where am I gonna? Oh yeah. Yeah, here we go. Okay. Alright, I'm not sure how good this is gonna work. Oh my God, you guys didn't get to see that. Look at all that. Oh. Look at that one section. Oh, the wind's blowing the wrong way. I need to get on the other side of this. It's just an old washing machine that I have. Oh. Watch. This is how much dust is coming out of this thing. You guys are missing the full effect of it. It's terrible. You guys cannot see too well, I guess. I don't know if the camera's picking up any of this dust flying around here. Wow. It's terrible. Whew. I can barely breathe. Even with this wind out here. Take another shower after this. Yeah, this thing's full of dust. Okay, that's enough of that. Okay, now you can see the filter. It's a whole lot cleaner. I got in between the pleats there. It's good. You know, clean them out. So, see if I can get in the sunlight here. Looks a whole lot better. It's not as clean as new, but it is better. So, yeah, it works a lot. Got rid of a lot of dust that's in my place. So please like, share, subscribe. thank you very much for watching.